Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you a controller, a Xbox controller, a GameSir X5 Lite, the best Z Fold 7 controller. Whatever controller you want to use will work on your keyboard on Android. Lean keyboard is the only keyboard as of right now, 2026, that you can use a controller and use. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so I'm in there right now and I'm using the D-pad on my controller right now. It's going up, down, left, right. I can hit A and there it goes, it's locking in. I'm going to show you this keyboard on default, okay? And I've been on a mission looking for a keyboard that would work for this, okay? And I'm going to take you to ChatGPT, okay? So let's go to ChatGPT here, and as you can see, I am moving the D-pad on the controller and it is working. So you press A, you pray X to delete, you pray A to click on inputs, hello, Y for space, you press the left stick to go into the capital and so on and so forth. But yes, as you can see, it is working. And this is just one more step into seamlessness, you know, how you're able to use the keyboard on a controller. So imagine using a front end Android like IISU or DESX or EX or anything like that, and then not having to use your touchscreen at all. You can just use your controller on this keyboard. Lean keyboard, please upgrade, update your stuff, put some gifs, some emojis on this John. This John is bland, but yo, peep game, this John is definitely legendary. Okay, you guys got to get this keyboard. Okay, if you have any other questions, let's get it, let's go. If you find a better keyboard or if you find some other way, definitely let me know. Peace.